Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen T-roc Life 2.0 TDI M6F 116 horsepower 5-door in sleek black. This estate Jeep is the perfect combination of style, comfort and safety. With features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth and lane departure warning, you'll enjoy every drive in luxury. Plus, with security features like ABS, collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags, you can have peace of mind on the road. This vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information on how you can drive away in the 2022 Volkswagen T-roc Life.